Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a free earning platform where you can earn money simply by watching 15-second YouTube short videos. This is completely free to join, no investment required. First, register using the link given in description. After registration, log in to your account. After login, click on watch. Click on go to section. Now select watch video. Now you will see a YouTube short video. Watch the video for 15 seconds completely. Then go back. You can see here I received $0.00027 for one video. You can click on next video and continue earning. According to the platform rules, you can watch up to 60 videos per hour, maximum around 510 videos per daily. Now go to home. Here you will see something called clover coins. Let me explain. Clover coins are the platform's internal currency. You can earn clover coins by 20 coins per video, 90 coins for first level referral, 40 coins for second level referral, 12 coins per third level referral. Also referral view rewards 4 to 1 coins depending on level. You can use clover coins to boost your earnings or exchange for real balance. For example, I currently have 1,28,360 clover coins. Now I will use 90,000 clover coins to activate a 10% income boost per week. Now I will use 90,000 clover coins to activate a 10% income boost for 1 week. After activating the boost, let's go back to the watch videos. Play video. Now you can see the reward per video has increased compared to before. So using clover coins wisely can improve your earnings. Now go to referral section. LuckyWatch provides a 3-level referral system. If someone joins through your link, you can earn commission from their activity. But remember, do not spam your referral link. Share only with genuine interested people. Let me show you live withdrawal proof. Go to withdraw. You will see multiple withdrawal options. I personally prefer USDT BIP20 because low minimum withdrawal $0.2, low withdrawal fee $0.05, fast processing, can withdraw to most exchanges or wallets. Before withdraw, go to settings, click on wallet. Paste your USDT BIP20 address here and click on save settings. Then go to payouts, select USDT. Now enter amount. Now click on request payout. So payout request created. Now I will show you my live withdrawal proof. Now go to history. So you can see here my status is paid. Now I show you in my Binance wallet. See there, you can see here I received payment in my Binance wallet. See there. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, share your opinion in the comment. Thank you.